how to use Klarna on DHgate. So first you need to open up the DHgate app here and find the item which you want to purchase. I already have something added in my cart, just like that. So find the item which you want to purchase and then go to checkout. Gotta check this, oops, and go to checkout. Alright, so from here it's going to ask for your address, all of your information, so make sure you fill that. But basically how this is going to work, once you get to the checkout page, you will need to have a Klarna one-time card. So I'll just go search for Klarna one-time card. It basically lets you create a credit or debit card with Klarna, which you can use to purchase your item. So if you go back to DHgate, make sure you get the exact amount here and then create a Klarna account with that exact amount. And then once you go to the payout option, then you will use your Klarna card as you would a normal debit or credit card. So you will have the information and you can use it to pay for your purchase. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.